Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're going to look at a thing called the cosine rule. And this is used when we are trying to find the size of an angle or the length of a side in a non-right angled triangle. If you're dealing with right angled triangles, go straight to bog standard ordinary trigonometry, sines, cosines, and tangents, and that is how you will solve your problem. So this is designed to deal with the case where none of these angles is a right angle. Okay, so how do you go about this? Well, the cosine rule comes in a number of formulas. It comes in formulas for angles and in formulas for lengths. And at the end of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of those formulas on the table in front of me, and you can copy them down, you can use them for reference, whatever. But they will be there, both the length and the angle formulas. In this case, we are looking for an angle, and that's all we're going to concern ourselves with in this video. Right. So here goes. What do you do? Well, first of all, you name your triangle. A, B, C. I like to work clockwise. I like to use the letters A, B, and C because that's usually how the formulas are expressed. How do you name a triangle? Well, if this is A, then the side opposite it is little a. If this is B, this is little b, C, little c. That's how you do this. And what we're looking for is we're looking for this angle in here. Now, this is not drawn to scale, as you will see when we get to the answer. Right, so how do we get to that answer? Well, we pick the cosine rule formula that we need. When we're looking for an angle using the cosine rule, we're looking actually to find the cosine of that angle, which we can then look up in a table or work out on a calculator, and that will give us the angle. So the cosine of A is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared. This may echo Pythagoras to some extent, divided by 2 times b squared, 2 times b times c. Now, when you plug and play this, pretty much you just put the numbers in. So 9 squared, 7 squared, 4 squared, divided by 2 times 9 times 7. And put that in a calculator, you get 114 over 126, which, when you go through the motions, gives you the cosine of the angle 25.21 degrees to 2 decimal places. That's it. That's really it. Okay, so keying instructions for this on a calculator. What you're looking for is you're looking for the angle A, and therefore you're trying to figure out what the cosine of this what angle this cosine gives you. So it's cos -1 on your calculator, or second function cos, whichever way you do this. Put that in, press go, and you get 25.2088 degrees, which rounds to that. Now, as promised, this is the end of the video. As promised, I'm going to put the various formulas in front of you. So you can pause the video if you want. You can take a screenshot of whatever you're watching on. So these are the length formulas. We're going to get into length in another video. These are the angle formulas. And we can find the cosine of each individual angle in a triangle. And you'll see that these formulas here are very slightly different. Okay, so that's it. The next cosine rule video that you'll probably see is one dealing with length. Thanks very much for watching. I hope that was helpful. See you later.